In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix DuckDuckgo not working. By the end of this video, you'll have walked through a precise set of checks and fixes to get DuckDuckgo loading and searching properly again. First, check your internet connection. On your screen, look at your Wi-Fi or mobile data icon and make sure you're connected. Try opening a different website to confirm the connection is working. If it doesn't load, reconnect to your network or toggle airplane mode off and back on. Once you can browse other sites, return to DuckDuckgo. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Security, then clear browsing data. Select Cookies and Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Confirm to clear. This removes outdated data that can block pages from loading. Note that clearing cookies will sign you out of websites, which is normal. When that's done, close the Settings tab. Make sure DuckDuckGo is up to date. If you're using the DuckDuckGo browser or the DuckDuckGo app, open your App Store, search for DuckDuckGo, and tap Update if you see it. If you use the DuckDuckGo extension, open your browser's extensions or add-ons page and update the DuckDuckGo extension there. Once updated, return to DuckDuckGo and try a search. Disable any ad blockers or extensions that may interfere. Open your extensions or add-ons manager, then toggle off ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and similar add-ons one by one. Keep them off for now. Go back to DuckDuckGo and refresh the page to test. If it works, you can later re-enable extensions selectively to find the one causing the conflict, or restart your browser. Fully close all browser windows and quit the app so it's not running in the background. On mobile, swipe the browser away from the recent apps view. Then reopen the browser and visit DuckDuckGo.com to test again. Try using DuckDuckGo in a different browser. Open another browser that's already installed on your device, go to DuckDuckGo.com, and run a quick search. If it works here, the issue is likely with your original browser's settings or extensions, not DuckDuckGo itself. Restart your device. Go ahead and reboot your computer or phone. A restart clears temporary glitches, locked files, and stuck network settings. Once your device is back on, open your browser and try DuckDuckGo again. Check if DuckDuckGo servers are down online. Open any search engine and type DuckDuckGo status or Is DuckDuckGo down? Click a reliable status page or the official DuckDuckGo social updates. If there's a reported outage, the best action is to wait until service is restored. If everything is operational, continue. Reset browser settings to default if needed. Open your browser settings and search for reset settings or restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. This returns the browser to a clean state and removes problematic custom settings and extensions. Your bookmarks and saved passwords typically remain, but your startup page, search engine choices, and disabled or installed extensions will reset. After the reset, reopen the browser and test DuckDuckGo again. Reinstall the DuckDuckGo browser. If you're using the DuckDuckGo browser and it still isn't working, uninstall it from your device. On mobile, long press the app and choose Uninstall or Remove. On desktop, use your system's Uninstall menu. Then reinstall the DuckDuckGo browser from the official App Store or from DuckDuckGo.com. Open it fresh and try a search to confirm it's working. At this point, DuckDuckGo should be loading normally and searches should work as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.